couple of funny things that I put in the Rosie app, Rosie and Roula app.
Oh, the WhatsApp group, yeah. I have a very funny episode idea. So
Oh my
whenever
gosh,
it's my
let's do
turn.
this.
Oh,
Let's do this.
I shouldn't have said it's very funny because now it's not going to be, is it?
Welcome to the Rosie and Roula show. Marhaba.
G'day. Oh, how do I start it? I'm feeling nerves. I've just set the bar really high. No, I'm not going to try and be too clever about it. Roula.
Rosie.
I want to talk about Australian slang. You probably know some of it because we've been talking to each other for what, 2 years? Something like that? So I want to say some Aussie slang and I want you to guess what it means.
Okay.
So, okay?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is just say it with no context. And if you don't get it, I can give it to you in a sentence. How does that sound?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do that. Okay.
It's fun.
Fair dinkum.
Repeat.
Fair dinkum. Hang on, I'll say it how people might say it with expression. Fair dinkum.
What the fuck?
It's almost like saying, "Oh, true. Wow. Fair dinkum."
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
and the words say nothing to me. I don't even know if these are letters you're pronouncing or just sounds.
Fair, the word fair, that's the first part. Dinkum, I think, is totally made up. No idea where that came from. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Maybe I should give you a test at the end to see if you remember them. Okay. Actually,
I'm writing them down.
You're writing them down. Ooh, okay, yeah. Okay. Should I give you an easy one?
No, I'll try. Just give me whatever on your mind.
Okay. Bicky.
They're all not easy for me.
We'll see.
They're easy
you're pretty clever. You speak multiple languages. I think you'll be good at this. Bicky.
Annoying.
Roula, do you want a bicky with your cup of tea?
Cookie.
Yeah, biscuit. Yeah. Good. See?
Bicky?
Okay.
Bicky?
Bicky. We like shortening
How do
things.
I write it?
That's a good
Bicky.
question.
From biscuit. B-I...
I'd probably spell it B-I-K-K-I-E. But if, I don't know. Who cares? I don't know how you spell it, really.
I love this. Yeah. I love that.
Okay. I think I've told you this one before, and I am quite confident that you would have forgotten. But let's see. Budgie Smugglers.
You've said that. Oh my God, it's so cute. It sounds so cute. Budgie Smugglers. Is it a toy?
My God, no. It's really not.
Budgie
Well, maybe. In a certain context, it could be a toy.
Budgie Smugglers. It sounds so cute. I have no memory of what it means, but I know I heard it.
Okay. So your husband and you and family are going to the beach, and he's decided to wear Budgie Smugglers.
Oh, yeah, the tight swimming shorts.
Yeah. The Speedos. You see all the bits.
Speedos.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you call them Speedos? The brand Speedos? No?
I think majority calls them Speedos, but no one wears them, so I think the entire word is forgotten.
Okay, well, yes. So I wouldn't call them cute.
I wish
would
they
you
do.
Would you call them? You wish they do. Of course you would. Do you think they're cute? Now you remember what Budgie Smugglers are.
Yeah.
Cute or sexy?
It can be both. It depends.
Okay. All right.
It depends. Yeah.
Okay. All right. No worries.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries.
I understand these two words.
What does it mean?
When in Australian slang, what does it mean?
Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah. They
I don't
might use it.
care.
You don't care. If you said something like, "Oh, Rosie, thank you so much for your help on editing the podcast," I'd say, "Yeah, no worries."
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. No skin off my back. Yeah, like my pleasure. No worries.
Skin off my back.
Or is
I'm
that one
writing
you
this
haven't heard
down.
either? Ooh.
No. I'm
Ooh.
writing it down. So it's like you're welcome.
I guess. But I guess it's like you're welcome. But it's a bit more than that. It's like it was
Not a
nothing.
problem.
Yeah, not a
Yeah.
problem. Easy peasy.
Nothing. No skin off my back. It expresses it so well.
Yeah. Because
I
do you
love it.
instantly know what that means? Because
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what a drongo.
That's about a person who's a jerk.
Yes. Well done. Absolute. They're an idiot, a jerk, an asshole. What a drongo. You're stupid.
I love them.
Bottle-o.
Repeat, please.
Bottle-o.
Bottle-o.
Yeah, bottle-o.
Bottle-o. Bottle-o. Anal?
I think I want it to mean anal. Oh my god. No. Okay. It's a special occasion, and you say, Rosie, could you just run down to the bottle-o to grab some champagne?
Oh, it's not the attic, but the grenier, the thing under the house.
No, the basement. No.
The basement?
No.
Kitchen?
No.
Fridge.
I actually don't know what the proper word for this is. Oh no, I think I do. So it's a type of shop.
Oh.
What shop is it?
Liquor shop?
Yeah. Is that what you call it?
A
Yeah.
liquor
The
shop.
liquor shop, bottle shop, where you buy alcohol. Bottle-o.
Ah, okay. Oh, I'm getting ready to come and visit you. I think I dreamt that you're coming to the UK, and I'm like, oh, now I'm buying a ticket to go and visit Rosie. And then my friend, who's English,
Yeah.
said to me, but Roula, it costs like 4,000 euros to buy a ticket to go to the UK.
And then what did
was
you
a
do?
dream.
It was.
It was a dream.
But did you still come, or did you go, oh, nah?
I don't remember, but now I'm telling you about my dream. I'm feeling the disappointment that I felt in my dream.
One day we will meet. We will meet in person.
This desire to meet is just terrible. Yeah, I'm dreaming about it.
You are, God. Okay. Here's another one. I probably shouldn't do too many, but it's so much fun. Sanga.
Ooh. Oh. Sanga.
Oh, I like how you say it. Yeah, sanga.
Sanga. Give me a hint. Is it
So if
describing a person?
No,
Or is it something?
it's
a
something.
thing.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Sanga.
If you were packing lunch for Liam, you might give him a sanga or make him a
Snack?
sanga. Not quite. More specific.
Sandwich?
Yeah. Good one. Sanga.
Sanga.
Yeah.
Does it have an R at the end?
A.
Or just
S-A-N-G-A. Yeah. Although, I don't think you'd find any of these in a dictionary, so...
That's why I'm asking you. How to say
Yeah.
it.
Oh, okay. Last one.
I want two more. No.
Oh, you want
two
two more?
if you
Two
have.
more. Okay.
I want two more.
Middle of whoop whoop.
Vagina?
No. I mean, it could be in the middle of whoop whoop for some people. Yeah.
Oh, like middle of nowhere?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good one. Yeah. Okay.
The word middle made it easier for me.
Okay. Your first guess was vagina, though.
Music and the stuff, first thing that come to my mind in my life, daily life.
Songs and
vaginas.
And vaginas. Why does that not surprise me? Yeah. Okay, this is the last one.
Okay. I'm loving it.
True Blue.
Oh, I know from True Blue, baby, I love you.
Oh, yeah.
True Blue. True Blue. Is it like just a word when someone tells you something and you agree?
Not quite. You
Oh.
could, but I don't think I've heard someone use it like that. No.
True Blue.
Although if someone said it to me in agreement, I would understand. It would make sense somehow. But no. Roula, you're a True Blue podcaster. True Blue podcaster. True Blue woman.
Good.
Yeah, like authentic,
Something
amazing, genuine. Yeah.
Wow. Because of the word blue also, I had the feeling that probably it's not all that positive.
Well, true, because there's another term Aussies use. Oh, Mum and Dad had a blue last night. What do you think that means?
Okay, I'm not going to say sex because then I think of that all the time. An argument?
Yes. So in that case, blue's negative. So you're not that far off. Okay. Well, what was your favourite one?
Them. Bicky, I love it. And Budgie Smugglers is like my favorite.
I think you should buy your husband a pair of Budgie Smugglers. And do you understand why they're called Budgie Smugglers? Why do you think they're called that?
Like because they smash the budgies.
Smash the budgies? That sounds so painful. But yes, I guess so.
But no, hold on. Smuggler is from like hiding something.
Smuggling. Yeah. They're hiding their bits. But not really hiding them, are they? It's not being hidden at all. Anyway, you are now a True Blue Aussie. You're not a drongo. I think we should have a sanga together sometime.
I can't. I'm so starving for the sanga. And you're a True Blue friend, Rosie. I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
If you got a kick out of our conversation today, can you pretty please hit the follow button and share it with another opinionated person? This is the easiest way for you to support the show. It also gives Roula and I the motivation
Rosie,
to keep
I have
going.
to stop you there. Stop telling people what to do. If they like to follow the show and share it, it's totally up to them. Guys, please, can you help us follow and share the show? Thank you so much. See you next time.
Said.